So boys, I want to talk to you quickly about the pie chart section of your Geo Skills workbook. So the pie chart here is looking at the language composition of Australia. And so it's asking you to calculate the amount of people that speak each language in Australia based on the current population of 24 million. Now the first one's been done for us here. English, which we can find from the key on the graph, is that particular colour there, which I'd say is probably a violet, maybe in between a purple and a blue, and it says 79%. So English, the percentage is 79. We know that the population is 24 million, given what was given to us in the question there. And we want to times that by 79%. Now 79% represented as a decimal is 0.79. 100%, which is the 24 million, is represented as 1. So 100% of 24 million would be 24 million times 1, but 79% would be 24 million times 0.79, which gives us an answer of 18,960,000. The next one I've done for you as well is Chinese. We go up here and I find Chinese in our key, which is red. We know that the red portion of that pie graph represents 2%. So the Chinese percentage speaking is 2%. So we times 24 million, which is the total population, by 2%, which represented as a decimal is 0.02, and that gives you 480,000. Now you should be able, with that information, to finish off the other three, as they're represented by 2, 11, and 6%. So you'll be doing Italian, 2%, other is 11%, and then unspecified is 6%, or 0.02, 0.11, or 0.06. I'll let you guys do the rest. Let's have a quick look at calculating the angle of each sect in the pie graph. So this is requiring you to use some of the information from the page before. So you can see here it says total from previous activity over the total population times 360. So if we use the first example that's been done for us, we can actually go back and find these figures in the previous worksheet. So 18,960,000 was right there, the total number of English-speaking people in Australia at the moment. So if we wanted to calculate for the Chinese, we would just need to utilize this formula up here, and we'd replicate it down here with the right numbers in. So let's draw that up again. And we know the total Chinese-speaking population in Australia at the moment is right there. It was that 480,000. They were our second group down. So let's put that in. 480,000 divided by 24 million, which is the total population up here. So 24 million times 360, which 360 represents the full circle. Yeah, so let me just quickly plug that in and we'll get ourselves an answer. There we go. So that represents 7.2 degrees of the circle. Perfect. Now using this information, you should be able to do the Italian, the other, and the specified as well. Fun fact for you, if you wanted to get away with not doing too much work, you could also identify that the same percentage of Italian-speaking population is the same, the percentage of the Italian-speaking population is the exact same as the Chinese-speaking population, which means they are going to represent the exact same amount or degrees of the sect in the pie chart. So the answer for Italian without doing any working is 7.2. However, in mathematics, we get marks for showing our working. So it's really important when you have something like this, even if you can automatically identify the answer, is that you go through and you put in all the work so that your marker can see that you not only know the answer, but you know how to get the answer. Yeah? Get stuck in, guys.